All right, everybody, it is the second. It's factoring trinomials. This is when you have the general form with all three. That's 1, 2, 3 trinomials. I'm going to have another video about how to do this in the description. This is just the notes I put down. So if you want notes, here's what I did. And we will get to it. So first you got to say what A, B, and C are. And you have to find, you see what multiplies to A times C and adds to B. So I did A times C, I got negative 42. B was negative 1, so I got to find I made a list of things that multiplied to negative 42 over here. And then I kept going until I found something that added a negative 1, which was 6 and negative 7. So once you find those two numbers, that's actually probably the hardest part. You use the box. Those two numbers go in those two corners, the 6 and the negative 7, they're with x's on them. The first term goes in the first box. The last term, negative 6, goes in the last box. And actually, these are the 6 and negative 7x. Those came from the negative x up here. It just split into two. But that's not that important for this. Then we find the GCF going left and up. So I looked at these two and I saw there was no common factor at all except for 1. And if there's a negative in front, we factor out a negative. So we did negative 1. This one, same thing, no common factors except for 1, and x, because there's an x in both. These two both divide by 7, because they are 7. So I took 7 out, and then they both have an x, so I got an x out. And then this one, 6, could come out. And then you have your answers, the 7x plus 6, 1x minus 1, or just x minus 1. And you got it. I'm going to link some in the description that might help. Talk to you guys soon.